The Bolivar Peninsula, 27 miles of relatively untouched sandy beach along the Gulf Coast of Texas. There is basically only two ways of getting onto this peninsula. You can either drive in from the Beaumont side in the northeast or ride the ferry in from the Galveston side in the southwest. I recently got to stay in a small AirBnB cabin that is built out of three shipping containers, and it sits less than a mile from the Gulf of Mexico in the small community of Crystal Beach. It is a local ordinance that all houses must be built on stilts in this area due to the threat of hurricanes. While most are built on wooden stilts, this cabin is built on concrete stilts and is deemed almost hurricane-proof, but more on that in a moment. As soon as you take a step inside this cozy cabin, you're greeted with a small table that has a welcoming booklet giving you various bits of information about your stay. At the end of that table are various books, DVDs, and coloring items. Shipping containers are pretty small, but this has been configured to be roomy enough for a large comfortable sectional to relax on. In the kitchen, you'll find full-size appliances, a washer and dryer, and a coffee maker. Step inside the bathroom and you'll find a roomy shower, and an endless hot water heater for those long showers. For a cabin of this size, the bedroom is very spacious. Many efforts are made to remind you that this is indeed a container house. The bed is super comfortable. The doors to the bedroom and to the bedroom closet are barn-style sliding doors made to conserve space. Just off the bedroom door is a small balcony that faces the east, so you can watch a sunrise over the Gulf of Mexico while enjoying your morning coffee. The entire roof of this cabin has been made into a rooftop deck, complete with a fire pit and lounging chairs to enjoy the views of the wetlands directly behind the cabin or to watch the barges sailing along the intercoastal waterways. I had mentioned the concrete pillars that this cabin was built on earlier. The owner of this cabin, who by the way has been recognized by AirBnB as a superhost, told me that the man who originally built this cabin built it to withstand 500-mile-per-hour winds, with most strong hurricanes having winds of 100 to 150 miles per hour. That makes this cabin nearly hurricane-proof. In fact, the owner told me that she rode out Hurricane Laura in this cabin. It was not her intention to get trapped on the peninsula, but she missed the last ferry out and had no choice but to ride it out. No damage occurred to the cabin, only just her trash can getting tossed about a mile away that was later retrieved and brought home. As I already mentioned, Angie is an AirBnB Superhost with other properties in the Crystal Beach area. I will link this cabin as well as her Airbnb profile in the description of this video. Crystal Beach is a place where you can drive right down to the water's edge. You can pitch a tent, or you can bring an RV out and camp with the ocean as your front door. All you need to do is pick up a $10 beach access permit, which is good for 1 calendar year. If you like this video, please help me out by giving me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, hit me up in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching.